Assume I let you in on a little secret. It takes no luck, no inheritance, no crazy wild crypto shot in the dark to be a millionaire, but instead a simple, replicable formula. You have definitely typed how to get rich into Google, correct? Well, today I'm sharing with you exactly how I became a millionaire step by step, so you can learn how to get rich the quick way. Stick around, because I also review the 3 biggest mistakes that keep people broke and the one mindset shift that changes everything. A couple of years ago, I was totally broke, living check to check, working round the clock hours and always asking myself, how do I get rich quickly? Every month seems like a struggle to survive. I used to watch videos of how to become a millionaire, but none of those inform me of the real truth. It's not going to be one idea. It's going to be the moment and consistent action. One night, I bottomed up. I owned rent. My check account was low. And I remember thinking, how am I ever going to get rich fast when I can't even pay for my gas? That was it. Nobody was going to save me. I needed to learn entrepreneurship. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. The shift. Think like an entrepreneur. That's where I abandoned get-rich schemes and set out to figure out how to get rich by building value. Step number 1. Start a scalable business. Rich individuals don't trade time for dollars. They build something that makes money while they're asleep. Online shop, digital products, service business, scalability is the real magic. I sat down and asked myself, what problem can I solve for lots of people? That's where I came up with my first product idea. I created something small, but it did solve a valid problem. That's where most people do it wrong. You don't need $1 million idea to get started. You just need an idea that solves problems for people. Step 1. Solve problem at scale. Every single millionaire you admire, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Sarah, they became wealthy because they found a solution for a problem for millions. If you'd like to know the secret to become wealthy overnight, start by asking yourself, what problem can I solve that people will pay for? That's it. Entrepreneurship has nothing to do with intelligence. It's about being obsessed with solution. Step 2. Build a personal brand. Next, I discovered the power of building a personal brand. Individual trust individual and purchase from them. If you have asked yourself, how do you become wealthy fast? Or how do you get wealthy? One of the fastest way is building trust through your experience and your expertise. Harness the power of social media to drive business. Document the journey, the process, and the lesson learned. The internet frowns upon dishonesty. I started posting snippets of video on my progress. Within a few months, I had an audience, and that audience became paying customers. That's the way I learned how to get rich quick with attention and trust. Step 3. Master sales and persuasion. Let's talk about the one most valuable money-producing skill in the world, selling. You might have a best-in-the-world product or service, but if you can't sell it, you'll be broke. Sales is not manipulation, it's communication. It's understanding what people desire and showing them how your product or service helps them succeed. If you're set on finding how to be a millionaire, even how do I become? 1. Start by acquiring the skill of selling. Whether it's over the phone, via video, or face-to-face, your ability to persuade will determine how fast you get rich. Step 4. Real reinvestment and scale. Now that the money is coming in, here's the trick. Don't spend it. Reinvest it. I reinvest every single dollar on marketing, improved tools, and hiring a better team. That's how my company blew up. Being a millionaire is not about earning a million. It's about holding onto it and growing it. The mindset: think long term to win fast. Here's the reality check. The quickest path to riches is to end the pursuit of fast money. When I shift from how to become rich fast to how to create massive value, my entire life changed. That's the mindset gap between doers and dreamers. Today, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest goal right now? Are you trying to build a business, build a personal brand, or learn about investing? Leave your answer in the comments. I read all of them. And if you pick up something good from this video, such as, and this video helps you, please subscribe, turn on notification. I'm going to show more real advice with you every week on how to get rich fast, how to be a millionaire, and how you can go from zero to financial independence, no luck required. Remember, don't daydream about becoming rich. Do something, learn, and build something that will endure. That's how you get rich fast, the right way. See you in the next video.